just had a momentary pause just then. The layered wax melts that I had created specifically for my customer, she did know that it was actually my prototypes. I'm wanting to please my customers, so what I'm actually doing is I've offered her a free 6 cavity clamshell of the same scent that she absolutely loves. That's my Marie's Summertime wax melts in the 6 cavity packs. I'm not wanting people to be deterred from me explaining my mishaps with my layered wax melts. I'm rather wanting to be transparent with you all so you can understand and appreciate where I'm coming from. But anyways, back to the actual massage candle. As you can see, it's formed a beautiful wax pool. Now, being a wax melt, sorry, not a wax melt, a massage candle, and that's my first one. I know with normal candles, you should have your wax pool come right out to the edge. Now, that being said, I'm wondering if I could get some feedback from other actual chandlers and see if they say that this is okay just to have the wax pool like this. As you can see, I'm just rolling the wax around here. I know I said I wouldn't do it again, but I'm just trying to see if I can just give it a little bit of an enticement to that wax pool just to come out just ever so more, well, right out to the edges, like you should have your wax pools do with all types of candles. Oops, no, we had a mishap with the camera then. Alrighty, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to let it go there. I'm not actually going to demonstrate it on my skin as of yet. I'm wanting that wax pool to actually go out to the edges more. I'm not sure if I should be waiting for it to go right out to the edges or not, but I will do another video in a product demonstrations of the actual massage oil being used. Brought into play will be my own hand. I'll be using the back of my own hand to do this demonstration, knowing that the wax viscosity is a lot lighter than what it would be of a normal candle. It is not going to burn my skin. It will not burn your kid's skin. This is hence to the shea butter being in it and also the sweet almond oil. So I will speak to you all in my product demonstration video of my massage candles. Have a great afternoon. Bye bye.